Hello everyone, welcome to State Civil Service Update with Dr. Vivek. Hope all of you are doing well. Exam in focus today is HPAS. Himachal Pradesh Public Service Commission has released the notification for HPAS exam 2021. So there are 29 vacancies this time, which you can say are comparatively higher if we compare the trend of last 3 years. The breakup of vacancies is there are 7 posts in executive department, which is popularly called as SDM. There are 14 posts in revenue department. 14 persons would be selected as Tehsildar. So if you are in revenue matters, these are the posts which you should be ideally interested in. And then we have 5 posts in block development officer, which will look to the rural development aspect, and there are 3 territory officer posts as well. So the only missing big announcement is the DSP post this time. So if you are passionate about uniform, so you have to wait a little longer for next notification. So the last date to fill the form is 14 July. Make sure you fill the form timely. And the age limit is 21 to 35 years, and other eligibility conditions are almost the same as they have been in earlier years. So if you have been a veteran who has been filling these forms, there is no major changes are in store. So we can say if your UPSC prelims has not gone too well, or you are a bona fide resident of Himachal Pradesh, you should not miss this examination, because you can say this is a golden opportunity to make amends and just get back into the examination mode. So if we go through the pattern of the examination, there is not much difference between UPSC and HPAS. In prelims, there are 2 examinations, like there is a general studies paper which will decide the merit, and CSAT paper is of qualifying nature. Only you have to score 33% marks to make it, only then GS paper would be evaluated. In the main stage, there is no ethics paper, so there are 3 GS papers of 200 marks each. There is a essay paper, and then Hindi and English paper once again are of qualifying nature. You have to score minimum 40% marks, only then these rest of the papers get evaluated. On optional front, there is a single optional which is asked in 2 papers. So you make sure, just like the optional you have chosen for UPSC, the same should be for HPAS exam as well. And the final stage is personality test, where they will gauge your personality. Are you ready for the next level of responsibility to take up? So we can say there is not much changes required in your preparation if we come to the content part of the examination. But the only major and significant difference which ultimately decides whether you clear this examination in all 3 stages or not is Himachal GK. Was in prelims, almost 1/3 questions are asked from this section, which are of comparatively of higher difficulty. In mains, especially in GS paper 1 and 2, almost 1/3 paper is once again from Himachal GK. And in interview stage also, you can say 1/4 questions roughly are from this section. So if you are serious about this examination, there is no escape route. You will have to prepare HP GK section qualitatively. So Vivek IAS Career Academy is bringing a tailor-made course for upcoming prelims, catering specifically to the tricky part of Himachal GK, because we know the history of Himachal is quite exhaustive. So the course will be both available in online mode as well as offline mode. So there will be 25 lectures covering mainly history, geography, economy, culture, and you could say the current affair part, which will cater to the mainly the economic survey and budget, because we have seen couple of questions every year from, you can say, the popular schemes launched by the government. So if you are interested in it, then you can contact the number given in our description, and we'll be ready to help you in your endeavor. Also, if you are already confident about your preparation, if you feel that you are just ready for UPSC as well, then you can focus on test series as well. We'll be conducting 2 Himachal GK complete mock tests in both offline and online mode, and the fees for that would be just ₹500 for those 2 mocks. And for Himachal GK, the fees is 3,999. So if you are facing any difficulty regarding preparing for this examination, feel free to walk in from 3:30 to 5 p.m. for individual counseling, or you could say strategy. We'll be ready to help you in your endeavor. If you have any specific query regarding the filling of form or any other part which you feel has not been addressed, you can ask them in comment section. We will try to answer your genuine queries. So wishing all of you very best in your preparation mode. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.